All right, so let's jump into this demo of numbers. So I'm going to show you guys two templates that you can use for your budget. We're going to start with the simple budget. And you can see here it's very simple and straightforward. You do have the ability to zoom in and out, which is great. So at the top here, you can see there's a money in section, which is your income. And then there's a money out section, which is for your expenses. And then at the bottom there, you have a money left over section, which is your profit. So income minus expenses equals your profit for the month. All right, and here on the right hand side, there's a nice chart that shows a circle graph of your expenses. All right, so let's walk you through some functionality here. So if you want to add additional income, you can simply do that by pressing the equal sign underneath total income. So you can see you can press that as many times as you would like, and it'll give you a new row. So for the sake of this demo, we'll say we have extra income. Let's name it side hustle. And just say we get an extra $2,000 per month. All right, so you can see the total income increased to $6,000. If we scroll down here, we can do the same for expenses. So if we want to add additional expenses, we just simply press the equal sign. And for expenses, we'll put streaming, $20. And you can see it automatically increased the expenses there. Now on the right hand side, we still have the circle chart, but it didn't include the new expense that we added. So all you have to do is click on the circle graph, scroll over, edit references. And now, if you see on the left hand side there, you just drag down the references and you can see that streaming has been added. You hit done and that's it. So you can do that for as many expenses as you need. And that's pretty much all there is to the simple budget. So very nice and straightforward. It doesn't allow you to track transactions, but it does give you that visual snapshot of a simple budget.